Hello my dear friends, my name is Parth and you are watching Must Watch Tips. Today we are going to see how to make this animated PowerPoint presentation in just few steps. So do watch this video till the end because I am going to show each and every step to make this presentation. So I am here in my new blank presentation and first of all I need picture of orange, a picture of whatever fruit you wanted to add in this presentation. So I'll simply go to my web browser and search orange fruit PNG image. As I am searching for orange fruit, you can also take blueberry, strawberry, apple, like that. So let me select this one, and here you can see that the image is in the form of PNG as the background is transparent. So what I'll do is I'll just right click on this, copy image, and I'll go to the presentation and paste it over here. So now you can see that this image is in format of PNG where we have the transparent background. Now I will duplicate this image multiple number of times and arrange it in a random way, like the way I'm doing. And make sure you add the images in different sizes. So let me reduce the size of one of the image and then duplicate it again multiple number of times. And for those who don't know how to duplicate this in one press, uh, the shortcut is to press Ctrl D to duplicate any of the shape or object in the Microsoft PowerPoint. I'll make it more smaller and duplicate more number of shapes. And you can now randomly select any of these objects and rotate a bit because we have duplicated in the same way as it was initial. Now our very first step is completed and we'll move on to next step. Now we will take any one shape and duplicate that and place it over here away from the group of these objects. And I will select all of these objects and press Ctrl G to group them all. And now we will work with this. So now for this, let us increase the size and it should be bigger than all of the shapes which are present here. And for this shape, we will go to picture format. And here you have an options of artistic effects in the adjust tab. So we'll go to artistic effect and let us select blur. So here you can see that there is a big difference between these two images as now this image is blurred. You can always change the blur effect by going here in the artistic effect and change the radius. You can increase the blur intensity when you increase the radius over here. So for meantime, let us choose 12 as the radius. And now I will duplicate this again in the same way like we did before. And in this as well, you can play with the sizes, but make sure you have comparatively bigger size than what we have created before in the group 1. Now I'll randomly select and rotate them just to add a difference between the objects. And now we will group them together and this will form another group. And now we will place this on top of the group 1 which we have created. So it will look like this. And after we completed this step, it's time to add a text box. So again, we will go to insert and let us insert a text box and you can type the title of your presentation. Here we have taken oranges. So let me type orange. Let us increase its size to 200 and the font you can take this one. I'll place it over here and let us arrange this in the center and in the middle of the slide area. You can always change the position of this text box or any of the shape by by going to this arrange option provided over here. And here we have different options in alignment. So align left, center, right, top, middle, bottom, like that. So once we completed slide number 1, let us go to this area and press Ctrl D to duplicate this first slide, and now we will work in the second slide. So here we have 3 objects. We will move each and every object to upward like this. And we will decrease the size of this text and again arrange this in the center. Now you can add more text if you want, but these are the basic steps which we need to perform in order to make this presentation. And very last and crucial step is to add a morph transition. So I'll select both the slides, go to transition and apply morph transition. So now if we go to slideshow, it will look like this. So this is the first slide, and if I press next, it will move like this. You can add subtitle over here or another objects over here, your topic 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is how you can create an awesome presentation. Like I said before, you can play with the shapes and choose the fruit whatever you want and try different versions of this. So I hope you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do visit our channel for more amazing videos like this. Thank you. Have a great day.